Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. How to control hunger. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that is a common struggle for many people: hunger control. Whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or simply avoid overeating, controlling your hunger is key. In this video, we'll be sharing some simple tips and tricks that can help you manage your hunger and avoid overeating. Eat a balanced diet. One of the best ways to control your hunger is to ensure that your diet is balanced and includes all the necessary nutrients. Include foods that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats in your diet. These foods take longer to digest and keep you feeling fuller for longer periods of time. Also, avoid consuming too many simple carbohydrates and sugary foods, as these can cause a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar levels, leading to increased hunger. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining good health and can also help control your hunger. Often, feelings of hunger can be mistaken for thirst. Try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and consider drinking a glass of water before each meal. This can help you feel fuller and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help control hunger and prevent overeating. This is because it helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep your metabolism running at a steady pace. Try to aim for 5 to 6 smaller meals per day, rather than 2 to 3 large meals. Hunger is a natural and essential human sensation that tells us when we need to eat. However, sometimes hunger can become overwhelming and lead us to eat more than we need, which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. In this article, we will discuss some simple yet effective ways to control hunger. Eat protein-rich foods. Protein is known for its ability to keep you full for a longer time than other macronutrients. Eating protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and lentils can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water can help you control hunger by reducing your appetite. Sometimes, our body mistakes thirst for hunger, and we end up eating more than we need. Drinking water before a meal can also help you eat less and feel full. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Sugary and processed foods are high in calories and low in nutrients. They also tend to spike blood sugar levels, leading to a sudden drop in energy and an increased appetite. Avoiding these foods can help you control hunger and maintain a healthy weight. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being, and it also plays a vital role in regulating our hunger hormones. Lack of sleep can increase the levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin, leading to an increased appetite and overeating. Eat slowly and mindfully. Eating slowly and mindfully can help you control hunger by giving your brain enough time to register that you are full. It can also help you enjoy your food more and reduce the chances of overeating. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid making unhealthy food choices when you are hungry. When you plan your meals, you can ensure that you are getting all the nutrients your body needs and avoid overeating. Conclusion: controlling hunger is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. By following these simple tips, you can reduce your appetite and avoid overeating, leading to a healthier and happier life. Remember to eat protein-rich foods, drink enough water, avoid sugary and processed foods, get enough sleep, eat slowly and mindfully, and plan your meals. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber is another nutrient that can help you control hunger. Foods high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, take longer to digest, keeping you feeling full for a longer time. Aim to include at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber in your daily diet. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil, can help you feel full and satisfied. Including healthy fats in your meals can help you control hunger and reduce the chances of overeating. Use smaller plates. Using smaller plates can help you control hunger by tricking your brain into thinking that you are eating more than you actually are. This can reduce your portion sizes and help you feel satisfied with less food. Practice stress management. Stress can trigger hunger hormones, leading to an increased appetite.